you guys, so I'm here and I'm excited to talk to you guys all about this surveillance camera. And so this is going to be solar powered and it's going to be waterproof. So we are going to be putting this outside, but I wanted to do the unboxing for you guys inside. So it does come with the memory card, and this is a 32GB memory card. Here is the solar panel, so I really like that, so you don't have to worry about outlets and everything. It has all the hardware to be able to attach it. And then let's see what the surveillance camera looks like. And then here is the camera, and you can see the antennas. And then also it looks like this is going to be able to rotate as well for you to be able to go ahead and install it wherever you would like. So let's go ahead and get this set up. Right here, you can see I have the whole entire flap opened up. There is the power on and off button. I just put the memory card in there. And then there's also the reset button and then where you plug it in. So right now I just have it plugged into my computer while I'm getting it set up. But obviously once it's outside and I'm connecting it to the solar part, if you guys can see, this part right here is gonna be able to go down and just this flap is gonna open up. And so that way you're still gonna be able to protect and it's still gonna be nice and waterproof out there, but you're gonna be able to have the solar light coming out. So I did just wanna make sure that you guys saw that way. This is just while it's inside and I'm getting it set up, but then it will switch over to just that one.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash. Connecting, please wait a moment. Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press next to enter network diagnostic.
One thing that's nice is it does have 2 templates. That way you're going to be able to go ahead and put it up a little bit easier. So this one that's already on here, that's stuck on there, that one is going to be for the camera itself. And this one with the 3, this one is going to be for the solar panel. So you can tell here just how great the audio is, which I really like. So you're able to set the motion on or off. You're also going to be able to do many more things just from the app itself. Overall, I really like this camera. I feel like the audio feed is great, along with even just the movements on here. The picture you can see is very clear as well. And so if you guys are looking for a camera, especially something that has solar, I definitely recommend this one. It was super easy to get set up. As you could see, just from downloading the app and then scanning the camera, it worked within minutes. So thank you guys so much for watching the review, and I definitely recommend getting this camera.